How to edit and change your activities on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click on your profile here. Once you're here, click these 3 points and then click edit profile. Scroll all the way down and then click interests, and here is it. Now type any activity you want here or anything you want, and that's it. Now just save it and then go back to be save it. I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.